Welcome to Monster Truck Classics. Merry Christmas to all of you, and this is gonna be my third and final video, hopefully, that I upload here on Christmas Day. It is going to be the Spin Master Monster Jam series in Cyclops. Very excited about this die-cast truck that they came out with, and this truck has a lot of history in the monster truck industry, and it is in the Retro Rebels. We also have a lineup of trucks here in Mix 9. We have the Grave Digger, Son of a Digger, El Toro Loco, Radical Rescue, W or Whiplash it is, Blue Thunder, there's Cyclops, Sparkle Smash, and the training truck of Dragon. So all of those trucks here in Mix 9, the last mix of 2019. Can you believe it? So let's go ahead and unbox it. So really enjoyed going with a red character. Now let me bring in Cyclops. Wow, that eye is awesome. Very cool for the vintage look. Let's go ahead and see on the truck itself. They have the Monster Jam logo, but that was never on the real truck. We have the name of the truck, Cyclops, and we have Cyclops himself, the little character, and then has a 4x4. No, 4x4. Alright. Very cool. The eye would go up and down on the real version of the truck. Also, it didn't have the tires like this on each side of the truck. On all four, there was actually 8 tires in all. So, I don't know if they were 66 inches or maybe they were a smaller monster truck tire. It kind of looked like it was when they put on the trucks to go into the trailer. It has a light silver roll cage and then the chrome chassis. The other side of Cyclops, much is the same. And then on the back, the tailgate. One of my top 10 trucks of Spin Master here in 2019. This truck's been on also the Battle of the Monster Trucks and also the United States Hot Rod Association VHS home video Monster Madness. Hopefully you enjoyed this review and unboxing.